the untold stories behind Diwali celebrations. Prepare to be amazed. Exploring the fascinating legends and traditions of Diwali. Welcome to our channel. In this captivating video, we are going to uncover the untold stories behind the magnificent festival of Diwali. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, is one of the most important and widely celebrated festivals in India and around the world. Let's begin this enlightening exploration of the mystical world of Diwali. Diwali, Festival of Lights, Diwali legends, Diwali traditions, Indian culture. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are delving deep into the enchanting world of Diwali, bringing you the untold stories behind its captivating celebrations. Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights, holds a special place in the hearts of millions worldwide. It symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. But do you know the fascinating stories that lie behind this grand celebration? Let's find out. Legend has it that Lord Rama, along with his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana, returned to their kingdom of Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. To celebrate their homecoming, the entire kingdom was lit up with thousands of oil lamps. This ancient tale forms the basis of the Diwali tradition. Another compelling legend tells the story of Lord Krishna defeating the demon Narkasura, who had brought chaos and darkness to the world. It was on the day of Diwali that Krishna emerged victorious, restoring peace and ushering in a new era of light and happiness. Diwali is not only about legends but also about a multitude of rituals and traditions that have been passed down through generations. Each ritual holds deep symbolism and significance in the Indian culture. One such tradition is the preparation of mouth-watering sweets and delicacies, filling homes with a delightful aroma. Families come together, sharing love and warmth, as they exchange gifts and wishes, strengthening their bonds. The spectacle of fireworks and sparklers. It not only adds a touch of magic to the night sky but also signifies the triumph of light over darkness. Diwali nights illuminate with dazzling displays, bringing joy and laughter to people of all ages. No Diwali is complete without the heartfelt prayers offered to deities, seeking health, wealth, and prosperity. Diyas, oil lamps, are lit, adorning homes and temples, illuminating the path to inner enlightenment. Beyond the stories, traditions, and festivities, Diwali teaches us valuable lessons of unity, compassion, and kindness. It reminds us to spread love and light in our lives and the lives of those around us. As we conclude this mesmerizing journey through the untold stories and traditions of Diwali, we hope you have gained a deeper understanding and appreciation for this extraordinary festival. Diwali is a time to celebrate togetherness and the triumph of good over evil. From all of us at our channel, we wish you a joyful and prosperous Diwali. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating videos.